Hey Cinegeeks! Welcome back to another edition of the Cinegeeks Cinebites Movie Review
Video Edition.
I'm Roy.
I'm Angela.
And for today's video, we are going to be talking about a new kind of love story from the creators of Barbarian, and that is Companion. A billionaire's death in his lakeside estate sets off a bizarre chain of events for Iris and her friends. Ooh. So, alam kong wala ka na panood na trailer nito?
Yes.
At all?
I came in blind. Which is the best way to go.
Yes, exactly.
Exactly.
Ako, I saw a trailer for this. Isang trailer lang. Kaya may idea ako saan pupunta to.
Ako,
at least.
mind blown ako talaga.
Pero yun na nga, kaya gusto kong makani ka muna. What did you think of Companion?
Shookes. Shookes ako. But also entertained. Sobrang entertaining and exciting. Of course, I love Huey, si
Jack Quaid. Yes.
From The Boys. So, I always know him to choose good roles naman. So, I trust his judgment. And nakakatuwang makita si Jack Quaid in a different light. I'll just leave it at that. Ikaw naman, what about you?
Same actually. Mind blown after watching this film. May idea na ako kung saan pupunta yung scene, as I said before. Dahil nakita ko yung trailer and even yung poster, makikita mo na parang bakit yung mata ni Iris played by Sophie Thatcher, bakit blank? So syempre mapapaano ka na, di ba? Parang something is afoot. Something doesn't feel right.
Yeah.
Yes. Pero whatever your expectations of this film is, take that and then the movie
throw it out the window.
Movie just throws it out the window.
Yes.
And then blows your mind even more. Kahit wala nang laman na expectation yung utak mo.
Yes, I mean the premise was not new. We've seen that premise time and time again, pero it's how they went with it.
True.
Especially nung lumalalim na yung kwento. Talagang maso-surprise ka din eh. And aabangan mo kung saan pupunta to.
Yes.
Hindi mo na malalaman eh kasi it keeps you at the edge of your seat.
Tama. Ako, major props, of course, to the lead, Sophie Thatcher. We saw her last year sa Heretic.
Yes.
Yes, very excellent young actress.
Yeah.
If I may, dun sa Heretic, siya ayun nagdala nung scene na yon. Kasama ni Hugh Grant.
Para sa akin.
Oo.
Especially, sobrang electric nung scenes nilang dalawa together.
Yung chemistry nila ni Hugh Grant dun sa Heretic was electric. Dito din sa Companion, yung chemistry niya kay Jack Quaid.
So, she's really a great actress.
Ang galing talaga niyang actress talaga. Oo. While watching her, medyo napapaisip ako na parang medyo may pagka-Emma Stone siya ng konti.
Oo.
Yung ganung klaseng kaya mong i-fit into a crowd pleaser-ish type of movie. Pero alam mong kapag may mga movies like yung Heretic or itong Companion na
may pagka-esoteric yung taste niya eh.
She's really gonna come to play.
Yes.
Talaga, basta yung role na binigay sa kanya. Parang si Samara Weaving din. Yun, parang ganon.
Same.
Yes.
And yung umpisan, si Anya Taylor-Joy, parang ganito yung mga beginning ng career niya eh.
Exactly.
Diba? So, I think we'll see more of her.
Yes.
Kasi she's getting more and more buzz eh.
Tama. And the writing by Drew Hancock. Also his direction. Talagang, alam mo yung pag ganitong mga sobrang high concept na mga sine, like Heretic, sige, I'll take that kasi yun yung parang pinaka-closest that I can compare yung feeling ko at the end after we saw it. Yung ganun parang I just saw something great, kumbaga. Ang medyo na-knock off ko lang kay Heretic is hindi na na-stick yung landing.
Oo.
Medyo nag-resort siya to slasher tropes, would you agree?
Actually, when Sophie Thatcher was on screen, doon talaga ako glued and invested. Pero nung moment na wala siya sa screen, ayun na, parang doon na nag-falter yung movie.
True.
So, it was really riding on Sophie Thatcher's back eh.
True. Yung Heretic. Pero dito, would you agree na talagang from start to finish, parang chef's kiss talaga siya?
Oo.
Talaga.
Sobra.
Oh my God.
Especially her performance, her character, talagang sobrang,
may isang character dito na isn't alluded to much in the trailer. Pero when that character's turn in the script kumbaga arrives, it's phenomenal.
Scene stealer.
Talaga. Almost. If I may, this actor has a knack for almost stealing movies.
Actually.
Hulaan nyo kung sino.
Comment below.
Comment below kung sino sa palagay nyo yun.
Yes.
And I guess I can give our rating na. We can give our rating. Ako, this
Unanimous.
is A+. Talaga, panalong-panalo. You, your friends, even yung mga hindi mahilig sa horror.
Actually, hindi ko nga siya masasabing horror because it's just fun, entertaining
Yan.
movie.
It's
Overall.
super entertaining. Super fun. Yes.
If you've seen Companion, what did you think about it?
Comment it on our comment section below. And don't forget to watch Companion when it comes out in SM Cinemas exclusively on January 29. So, this has been Roy.
And Angela.
Thanks for watching another edition of the Cine Geeks Cinebites video review. And we'll see you in the next one.